Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from our PIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the vitamin K, their function, deficiency sign and sources. Their functions are necessary for the maintenance of the normal blood coagulation. These vitamins, in case of the deficiency, blood loses its power to clot or the time needed for clotting is longer and serious hemorrhages can result from the slight wounds or bruises. Next is the sources: green leafy forages and fish meals, liver, soybean, and intestinal synthesis and the synthetic compound are the sources of the vitamin K. Next is the vitamin C. It is also known as the ascorbic acid. The function that is has an effect on the metabolism of calcium in the body, not required in rations of farm animals. Next is the deficiency signs known demonstrated in the livestock human deficiency, scurvy, that is swollen and painful joints and bleeding gums and brittleness of the bones. Next is the sources: citrus fruit, tomatoes, leafy vegetables and potatoes are the source of the vitamin C. Next vitamin is the vitamin B1, that is thiamine. It is also known as in medicinal language, that is thiamine. Functions, deficiency signs and sources: the required for the normal metabolism of carbohydrate. Next is the deficiency sign: loss of appetite, muscular weakness, severe nervous disorders, general weakness and the wasting, that is the beriberi disease. Sources are the raw, whole grains and especially their seeds, coats and embryos, fresh green forage and the yeast, milk and rumen synthesis. These are the vitamin B1 and their sources, deficiency and their function. Next is the vitamin B2. It is also known as the riboflavin. Function is necessary for the normal embryo development, important in the metabolism of amino acids and carbohydrates. Next is the deficiency sign: poor reproduction characterized by the small litters and deformed young, cleft plate and the club foot deadness, curly toe paralysis in chicks, digestive disturbances, general weakness and eye abnormalities. And sources of the vitamin B2 is that is milk and the dairy byproducts, yeast, green forages, well cured hay, whole grains, wheat bran and synthetic riboflavins, rumen synthesis. These all are the vitamin B2 sources and their deficiency and function. Next is the mineral facts. Essential inorganic nutrient required in small amounts, as many as 20 minerals may be required, and required for the growth, maintenance, reproduction and the lactation. There are the caps NaCl Mg. The macro minerals, there are the calcium, phosphorus, potassium, K, sulfur, sodium, chlorine and magnesium. So these are the minerals, and in today's class I discuss about the mineral fact and vitamin, that is thiamine, riboflavin and ascorbic acid, and also about the vitamin K. Thank you.